Designing a low-maintenance garden doesn't mean sacrificing beauty or functionality. With thoughtful planning and strategic choices, you can create an enchanting outdoor space that requires minimal upkeep. We'll explore the principles and practical tips for designing a low-maintenance garden that brings you joy year-round, without the hassle of constant maintenance. 1. Assessing your space. Before you start designing, take a close look at your garden area. Evaluate factors such as sunlight, soil type, drainage, and microclimates. Understanding your garden's unique conditions will help you make informed decisions on plant selection and layout. 2. Selecting low-maintenance plants. Choose plants that are well-suited to your climate and require minimal care. Native and drought-resistant plants are excellent choices as they are adapted to your region and often need less water and attention. Opt for perennials that return year after year, reducing the need for frequent replanting. 3. Creating a sensible layout. Design a garden layout that maximizes functionality and ease of maintenance. Incorporate pathways, borders, and seating areas to add structure and simplify navigation. Group plants with similar care requirements together to streamline watering and maintenance tasks. 4. Embracing mulch and ground covers. Mulching is a powerful tool in low-maintenance gardening. Use organic mulch to suppress weeds, retain soil moisture, and regulate temperature. Consider using ground covers to minimize bare soil areas, reducing weed growth and erosion. 5. Smart watering systems. Install drip irrigation or soaker hoses to provide efficient and targeted watering. These systems deliver water directly to the plant roots, reducing water wastage and ensuring plants get the moisture they need without excess. 6. Minimizing lawn areas. Lawns demand regular mowing, fertilizing, and watering. Consider reducing the size of your lawn or replacing it with alternatives like native grasses, wildflower meadows, or low-maintenance turf varieties. 7. Incorporating hardscaping elements. Integrate hardscaping elements, such as stone pathways, gravel beds, and raised beds, to add visual interest and reduce the need for regular maintenance. Hardscaping also creates defined spaces for planting, making gardening tasks more manageable. 8. Planning for year-round interest. Select a variety of plants that offer interest throughout the seasons. Incorporate evergreen shrubs, ornamental grasses, and plants with unique textures and colors to ensure your garden remains appealing all year long. 9. Using low-maintenance garden features. Choose garden features and structures that require little upkeep, such as water-efficient fountains, sculpture, or garden art. These elements add character and charm without the need for constant care. Designing a low-maintenance garden is a rewarding and practical approach to gardening. By thoughtful plant selection, efficient layout, and smart gardening practices, you can create a beautiful and serene oasis that brings joy and relaxation to your outdoor space without the burden of extensive maintenance. Enjoy the beauty of your garden with more time to relax and savor the tranquility of nature.